Do you want to run a vanity light like this one in your house, but you don't want to worry about having to run new electrical in your wall, setting up another switch, and doing all that destructive work? Well, this wireless vanity light might be for you, and it comes with this remote, and it has a couple extra features. This wireless vanity light was sent to me to test out and to make a video for to help you decide if something like this is right for you or not. I know this doesn't look like much right now, but this is part one of my bathroom makeover. I just moved into this house. I have this really big bathroom downstairs, and this is just an empty wall. So we are going to put a big mirror here. We're going to put shelves and cabinets underneath, and then to top it all off, we have this wireless vanity light. And my favorite thing about this light is that I didn't have to run any new electrical cables or anything to get this light up on the wall and working. It was literally 2 screws into the mount, throw it on the wall, throw the light on the mount, and it's good to go. So I have it wall mounted right now, but I could literally just come over and pick it up off the wall. We have a lot of flexibility on this light already. And then when I'm ready to charge it, this battery actually comes out just like this. You got a USB-C port right there. You just charge the battery. Once it's charged, you throw it back in the light. And you didn't need to take the light off the wall, but I did. Put the battery back in, turn the light back on, and you're good to go. You have 3 different color temperatures with this light. You can adjust the brightness up and down. This remote is magnetic on the back. So if you already have something magnetic in your bathroom, you can stick it right to that. Or it comes with this little magnetic plate. You slap this on the wall. It's got some adhesive on the back. And then you can wall mount your remote as well. Everything's easy to set up, easy to use. Mounting stuff that doesn't need electrical is a lot easier than having to run all that wire. So throw this on a wall, throw a mirror on a wall, and you're done. So let's go ahead and get this light on the desk. I could show you what you get. I'll show you how I mounted it on this wall, and then I'll show you all the features of the remote as well. So we have the wireless 24-inch vanity light right here on the desk. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. And this one comes with the remote, and this looks like the remote right here. This is gonna be your battery for the light. Here we have your instructions for what the remote does, charging the light, everything that's included in it. It has all the mounting hardware. That's good. And we also have the install instructions right here. And here is the actual light. So this is what we're working with here. We have a lot of flexibility on the angle of the light, and then a ton of flexibility with the neck as well. You're gonna mount a bracket to the wall and then slide that on the bracket, and then your battery goes in right there. Let's go ahead and put this on the wall and see what we're working with. Here's a bit of a closer look at the remote. We have your power button and your brightness buttons. We have timers, and then we have color temperature. And there is a magnet back here, and it comes with this little magnetic plate, which has some adhesive on the back, so you can stick this to your wall and then put your remote on the wall as well. Or you can just leave it on a table or counter or whatever. And we also have our mounting hardware here. We have 2 different types of anchors, just depends on where you're putting this. 2 screws. And then we also have our mounting bracket. This is what's gonna go on the wall, and then we'll slide the light onto this. So this is one of the new bathrooms in my house, and I have just this big empty wall here. So I'm gonna eventually put a big old mirror here. I wanna do a bunch of cabinets down here too, but we're gonna start with the mirror eventually. But we're actually going to start with the vanity light. So we're just going to pick a spot, put it on the wall, and then eventually we'll get the mirror, and then we'll move the vanity light to match the mirror. But I do want to get the light on the wall. So I've got my holes marked out. I leveled this mount. I'm not worried about studs because I'm going to use the anchors. Either way, if I find a stud, we'll just use the screw. If not, we're going to use the anchor. Mount is up now. Let's go ahead and get the light on. We're just going to get it hooked on the back and then slide it down. And there you go, it's mounted. And a cool thing about this mount is if this wasn't level for some reason, they do give you a bit of wiggle room to move stuff around. So you can level it out without having to drill new holes. And this is what it looks like on the wall mounted. You have some flexibility at this joint, go from here all the way to here. And then you have flexibility at this joint and go up and down. We have the light mounted now. I'm gonna go ahead and test the remote out with the power button. Boom, we have, and we can go brightness down and brightness up. That's max brightness, this is minimum brightness. And then we have our timer buttons. We can change the color temperature. This is closer to like a tungsten. This is like a daylight. And then we have something more in the middle. So 3 different color temperatures, brightness adjustment, set timers, all that from this little remote. So that was a quick look at this wireless vanity light. It's a real quick and easy way to get a wall mounted fixture up. And since it's wireless, since it has a battery, you don't have to worry about running electrical through your wall, setting up a light switch somewhere or anything like that. You just charge this light once in a while, throw the light on the wall, you have the remote, and just like that, you have a wireless wall-mounted vanity light. So if you're in the market for something like this, well, maybe this one is for you.